Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: an active GitHub account with two-factor authentication and a supported editor installed. Once done, sign in to GitHub. And accept the Copilot trial or subscribe. Make sure your billing and payment method are entered if required. Next, open your editor and prepare to authorize the extension. Do not skip permissions prompts. This stage ties your identity, billing, and tooling together so the extension can authenticate and fetch suggestions securely. You install the official Copilot extension in VS Code or your chosen editor. Choose the one published by GitHub. Once installed, trigger the sign-in flow. Your editor opens a browser for OAuth. Approve the scopes the extension requests so it can read and write snippets and access your account. After authorization, return to the editor and verify the status indicator. Then customize basic settings. Enable inline suggestions or panel mode and set file type preferences. To tailor, you finish by validating Copilot. Open a small project, type a comment to prompt code, and accept a few suggestions to ensure live responses. Once verified, fine-tune behavior, reduce suggestion latency, toggle telemetry, and set preferred languages. If things go wrong, first revoke the authorization and reauthorize, then check network, proxy, or firewall settings. Also inspect the extension output or logs in the editor for errors. These steps complete setup and give you a clear path to fix common connection or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.